Silent, and we don't want any horns to be blown at this time or bells ringing. We're asking for 3 to 4 minutes of your time, please, and then we'll continue the procession. No horns will be blown. After which we'll continue the excitement. Please. Thank you. Take 3.
done the highway, we've done the new urban center, but we're going to focus on the town. But let's think a little bigger. In Port Royal, just a couple miles away from here, we built a new port, and we would be able to bring in quite a number of tourists who would be able to come, see the sights and attractions in Port Royal, and then travel on the Palisades through Harbour View on the new highway, bam, into the old town, and get even more experience. Wonderful things are planned for St. Thomas. Wonderful things. So happy to be the Prime Minister of this country to be able to not just conceptualize, but to execute the vision of making St. Thomas a parish of history and the parish of the future of Jamaica. God bless St. Thomas.
No, Henry.
So we're going to watch this one.
Prime Minister.
Yes, you can be.
So whatever.
Hey,
What's up, go on?
No, because we have to wait for the 10 minutes. So, the viewers and sub, the Prime Minister has arrived in the town of Morant Bay, St. Thomas. Him and the motorcade and Big Super is on the ground, and we just give you a quick little snap of the Prime Minister out here visiting the town of Morant Bay, and in proud and all excitement. He went to the courthouse. Before that, he went to the roundabout, he went to Seafoot and in St. Thomas. So he just passed through St. Thomas, and now they might give the signal to come out of Morant Bay, and I think they might head to some other community like Bath, Lethal, Fort, and other community along the way, including Dalby. So the viewers and sub, I hope you enjoy this short little clip that Big Super gave you, and the visit of the Prime Minister to St. Thomas. the viewers and sub, Big Super on the ground, and we just make a little snap at the visit at the Prime Minister. And now he's about to exit Morant Bay town. Take care, Mr. Prime Minister. Him and him bodyguard and him entourage. Everybody is heading out, people. Yeah. Entourage is heading out. So Big Super is on the ground. Remember, people, to like, share, subscribe. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. Remember to always watch out the ads, people. Always watch out the ads. Big Super out in the town of Morant Bay. Saying to you guys, peace out, people, peace out.